Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to explain you guys how to slow down footage in Premiere Pro. It's actually really easy. You just go to your footage right in your timeline, you click the right mouse button and you see a lot of options, and you're probably thinking like, how am I gonna find the slow down function? It's actually really easy to find. Speed/duration is right here. You click on it, and then it's actually really easy. What you have to do is only setting speed. You know, if I would do like 200, it would shrimp and it would go faster, but that's not what we want. So we go back to speed/duration and we go to, let's say, 60. Now it's at 60, and if we now play it, it's like really long now. And it's going a lot slower than before. And if you want to do like really slow, you can just add it how you want it. So you can do like 30, and then it's going really slow. That's actually it. It's really easy. If you have more questions about Premiere Pro, leave it down below in the comments, and I'll try to fix it for you guys and find out how to do it. Subscribe to my channel and like this video for more videos, and click the bell. See you later.